Last night I arrived in Toulouse, France. This morning I am taking the train in Gare de Matabiau to Lourdes. Good morning. It is 6:45 in the morning here in Toulouse, and I'm by here at the train station. So I'm here early. It's not listed yet. Well, outside here. I'm gonna go inside and check it out. Waiting for the train to leave. This is a 2-hour journey, making 11 stops. Here I am. I made it to Lourdes. So it was a 2-hour ride by train from Toulouse to here. It was a beautiful ride along the countryside. So I'm here at the Lourdes station and heading toward the hotel.